Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to restrict cash on delivery for wholesale or B2B customers in your Shopify store. So, if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So, for this, I have used Next Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. So, for this, you need to go to your Shopify admin panel, then search for Next Advanced Cash on Delivery app. Then click on Limit Cash on Delivery. Then you can enable this global rules for cash on delivery and you can select here your cash on delivery payment method. And if you have already set up cash on delivery fee using this advance, then you can just toggle on this button and you can select your delivery method here. And then click on customer section and enable this restrict based on customer tag and select hide COD for the customer with tag. Now I will enter the tag here of wholesale and then save your changes. Now go to the customer section. Now click on that particular customer for which you want to apply that particular wholesale tag, and here you can apply that wholesale tag. Then save your changes. Now you just need to copy that particular customer's email ID and you can test this on your online store. So go to catalog. You can add any product to your cart. Now I will enter here that particular customer's email ID and I will enter the test address. So here you can see only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not available for this particular customer's email ID. Now I will just remove that customer's email ID. So here you can see now cash on delivery is available. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to limit cash on delivery based on wholesale customers or B2B customers in your Shopify store. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.